Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires, Wheels Direct, and right behind me we have a 2024 Cadillac Escalade V that we just outfitted with a set of Vossen HF65. These are 24 by 10 plus 25 offset, 6 by 139.7. As you guys can see, the Brembo brakes, it clears no problem. We added the tire size 35, 12 and a half, 24. As you guys can see, the Nitto Recon Grappler, and then on these 24-inch wheels, they pair well. In order to get this tire size on, you do need links, because this car has airbag suspension on all four corners. So these little links, they give you 2 inches of clearance, so that way it clears the tire no problem. So if you guys are interested in a set like this, so you're 35, 12 and a half, 24, look no further, give us a call, and we'll be happy to help. Check this bad boy out. Thank you.
It looks like it's gonna work.
You ready? Now that everybody's left?